Hi guys, and welcome to a very simple text-to-speech Python tutorial. So let me show you guys how this works. In here I have some text inside this text box itself, and we just click
To
on
make your document look professionally produced, Word provides header, footer, cover page and text box designs that complement each other.
I'm going to delete that and let's enter another text.
Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. When you click Online Video, you can paste in the embed code for the video you want to add.
Alright, you see that. So we're going to start work with a new tutorial entirely. So let's start by starting a new project.
Start a new project.
So I'm going to close that and close this. So first of all, I'm going to import the following from Tkinter. I'm going to import all of the components. That is started. Then the next, I'm going to import PyTTSX3. If you don't have this, make sure you install it onto your system. I believe you know how to do that. Next, I'm going to initialize the text-to-speech engine. So let's start by saying engine. That's going to be equals TTX, PyTTX dot get it initialized. There we go. And next, I'm going to create a function to read the text. So let's start by saying div speak underscore text. So that's going to be my function. That's a function name, speak text. And come right down here. So let's create a variable in there, local variable that's going to be known as text. That's going to be txt speech dot get. So the speech dot get, that's going to be a text box that I'm going to create underneath here. But let's just finish this function first. So I'm going to enter one dot, that will be to the end, comma, end. And out here, I'm just going to say it. So that will be straight. Okay, so what will happen is that we get the text from the text widget. Now, the next thing is I'm going to use an if statement. If text engine dot say whatever I have in there. Check if there's text, if the text is empty. Okay, if it's empty, it's going to give us a message. So else do as follows. So let's come down here and just say else. We got to indent that. Else engine say as follows. You must enter a word, at least enter something in there. So I will just need to come here and say engine dot run and wait. Close that. All right, that's my function ready. The next thing I want to do now is to initialize the window, the Tkinter window itself. So let's come right underneath here and just, I'm going to say root. That will be equals tk and root. Let's give it a title as well. Root dot title. I'll just call that text to speech. Text to speech. And set a geometry for it. Dot geometry. Make that about 700 by 500. Maybe I should even get it centered or so. Alright, let's just get it centered. So Let's enter the plus sign there. I'm going to make that about 600. That's the for the coordinate though. Yeah, close that. All right, that is sorted. Next thing I'm going to do now is let's add a label here. So I'm right down here and there's a label. So this label is just going to display something that says text to speech. So let's say it's going to be root, comma. The text on it is going to be something like enter text to speak, something like that. And close that out. Yeah, comma. Now the font for this very label font is gonna be equals, yeah, might as well use area again, area, and let's say the size is gonna be about 25, comma, and make that bold. There we go. Close that. Okay, close that and just say breed. And breed is going to be row, that will be equal 0, and column is going to be equal 0, comma. And let's get it padded. That's going to be equals 10, and get it padded to the y-axis as well, equals 10. Close that. Okay, next I'm going to create a text box. So let's come right down here, the text widget. So let's say txt speech, that's going to be equals text widget, and this text widget is going to be a child of the root as well. Okay, so I can even grab all of these, dump it here, get rid of this. There we go. Now, so I'm going to specify the width. That is going to be about maybe 30. I can always increase or decrease that, comma, and the height, I'm going to make that about let's say 5. Close that. And now my hex is going to give me the following grid. So let's copy all of these grid that we have in here to speed up things. So it's going to be txt speech dot grid, and if this is 0, row 0, I want this to be on row 1. So this will be on top, this will be below. So that is fine. Next, I'm going to create a button that I will use to call this very function that I've created earlier. So I'm going to come in here, just grab hold of almost everything that I have in here, just change the name around. Come right down, paste, and change this to BTN speech, or BTN speak, whatever. Alright, so this is going to be a button. Okay, so let's make this speak. Yeah, BTN speak, and this one will be BTN speak as well. And there's going to be a text content in it. The text content will just be speak. So I can even grab hold of all of this, paste it right here, comma, and there we go, speak. So the font is 25 as well. But there's one thing that we need here. So we're going to change this entirely. Let it be for the command. And here, what I add bold in here. Bold. Yeah, bold. Comma here. Okay. Now I'm going to get rid of this. And I use command to grab hold of this space. Come down here and get rid of all of these. Just a command that's going to be equals that. And right underneath here, this is going to be on row 2. Column is T0. Let's just get it added. Y add this, make that maybe about 20. Get rid of this. And right underneath here, I'm going to random the whole thing. Root dots, main, loop. There we go. So I need to save this. So let's come in here, file, save as. There we go. I'm just going to put it text to speech, widely, and save that. Right. Okay, let's try this out. So I'm just going to copy something here. Let's run. Click on run. Paste.
From to import asterisk. Import pyttsx3.
And you get that, guys. See how easy that is. Let me increase this, make it and that is how you create your own text to speech, guys. You leave it at 40. And the button. Okay, we made the width 40. I might as well just add here, add the width of the button. I'm going to make that about 30, and here that means I need to increase that. Alright, so I think that will do it. So my geometry is now 760. And I have the width of the text box as 40, the width of the button 30. So let's run it and see. Run. There we go. Look at that. So let's enter some text in there. Let's go into Word. And I'm going to just copy one or two things in Word. Press enter and copy all of this. Paste that in here. And let's get it to read.
Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. When you click online video, you can paste in the embed code for the video you want to add. You can also type a keyword to search online for the video that best fits your document.
See that? That's how you create your own text to speech in Python. So with that, guys, I'm going to call it the end of this lovely tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it, and please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of the channel. You all have a nice day now, and bye for now.